Hi friends, welcome to Agri Engineering Talks. Today we are going to discuss common names and chemical names. These are important for all the competitive exams like railways, SSC, CGL, CPO, CDS, HSSC, NDA and PCS. Friends, in this video I have chosen only selected questions which are important for competitive exams. Friends, these questions are repeated in many of the competitive exams and these are very important. I have selected these questions according to the repetition in previous examinations. First question: what is the chemical name of baking powder? That is sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. The chemical name of baking powder is sodium bicarbonate and its chemical formula is NaHCO3. They will give the chemical name of sodium bicarbonate and they'll ask a common name. So best to remember is the chemical name, its common name and its chemical formula. Next question: what is the chemical name of bleaching powder? That is calcium oxychloride and its chemical formula is CaOCl2. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride and its chemical formula is CaOCl2. Next question: what is the chemical name of wood alcohol? That is methyl alcohol. Its chemical formula is CH3OH. The chemical name of wood alcohol is methyl alcohol and its chemical formula is CH3OH. Next question: what is the chemical name of iron pyrites? That is iron disulfide. Its chemical formula is FeS2. The chemical name of iron pyrites is iron disulfide and its chemical formula is FeS2. And these iron pyrites is also known as fool's gold. Fool's gold. Next question: what is the chemical name of brimstone? That is sulfur. Its chemical formula is S8. Generally we'll be writing S, but the compound sulfur exists in the form of S8. The chemical name of brimstone is sulfur and its formula is S or S8. Next, what is the chemical name of borax? That is sodium tetraborate and its chemical formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The chemical name of borax is sodium tetraborate and its chemical formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The question can also be asked as how many number of water molecules present in borax? That is 10. 10 number of water molecules present in borax. Next question: what is the chemical name of graphite? That is carbon and it can be represented as C. Next question: what is the chemical name of quicksilver? That is mercury and it can be represented by Hg. Hg is the chemical formula for mercury. The chemical name of quicksilver is mercury. Next question: what is the chemical name of blue vitriol? That is copper sulfate and its chemical formula is CuSO4 XH2O. The chemical name of blue vitriol is copper sulfate and its chemical formula is CuSO4 XH2O. Friends, this question appeared in many of the competitive exams. Next, what is the chemical name of green vitriol? That is ferrous sulfate and its chemical formula is FeSO4. The chemical name of green vitriol is ferrous sulfate and its chemical formula is FeSO4. Next question: what is the chemical name of white vitriol? That is zinc sulfate and its chemical formula is ZnSO4 7H2O. The chemical name of white vitriol is zinc sulfate and its chemical formula is ZnSO4 7H2O. In this, the question can also be asked as how many number of water molecules present in white vitriol or zinc sulfate? The answer is 7. 7 number of water molecules present in white vitriol. Next question: what is the chemical name of chloroform, that is trichloromethane. Chemical formula is CHCl3. The chemical name of chloroform is trichloromethane and its chemical formula is CHCl3. Next question, what is the chemical name of caustic soda? That is sodium hydroxide. Its chemical formula is NaOH. The chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide and its chemical formula is NaOH. This question is very important as it appeared in many of the competitive exams. Next question, what is the chemical name of quicklime? That is calcium oxide. Its chemical formula is CaO. The chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide. Its chemical formula is CaO. Next question, what is the chemical name of vinegar? That is acetic acid and its chemical formula is CH3COOH. The chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid and the chemical formula is CH3COOH. Next question, what is the chemical name of gypsum? That is calcium sulfate. This gypsum is used in cement industry. It helps in delaying setting time of cement. The chemical formula for this calcium sulfate is CaSO4 2H2O. It contains two molecules of water. The chemical name of gypsum is calcium sulfate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 2H2O. Next question, what is the chemical name of Epsom? That is magnesium sulfate and its chemical formula is MgSO4. The chemical name of Epsom is magnesium sulfate and its chemical formula is MgSO4. Next question, what is the chemical name of dry ice? This is the most important question, appeared in many of the competitive exams and further also it will be appearing. The chemical name of dry ice is carbon dioxide, that is CO2. The chemical name of dry ice is carbon dioxide and its chemical formula is CO2. Next question, what is the chemical name of washing soda? That is sodium carbonate and its chemical formula is Na2CO3. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate and its chemical formula is Na2CO3. Next question, what is the chemical name of laughing gas? That is nitrous oxide. The chemical formula of nitrous oxide is N2O. The chemical name of laughing gas is nitrous oxide and its chemical formula is N2O. Next question, what is the chemical name of caustic soda? That is sodium hydroxide and its chemical formula is NaOH. The chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide and its chemical formula is NaOH. What is the chemical name of sugar? That is sucrose. The chemical formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. The chemical name of sugar is sucrose and its chemical formula is C12H22O11. Next question, what is the chemical name of aspirin? That is acetyl salicylic acid. Its chemical formula is C9H8O4. The chemical name of aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid and its chemical formula is C9H8O4. Next, what is the chemical name of more salt? This is the most important question. That is ammonium ferrous sulfate and its chemical formula is NH4 taken twice, FeSO4 taken twice, 6H2O. It contains 6 number of water molecules. The chemical formula of more salt is NH4 taken twice, FeSO4, SO4 taken twice, 6H2O. And the chemical name is ammonium ferrous sulfate. Next question, what is the chemical formula of rusting? That is Fe2O3X The chemical formula of rusting is Fe2O3X and its chemical name is hydrated iron oxide. Next question, what is the chemical name of caustic potash, that is potassium hydroxide, and its chemical formula is KOH. The chemical name of caustic potash is potassium hydroxide and its chemical formula is KOH. Next question, what is the chemical name of potash alum or simply alum? That is potassium aluminium sulfate and its chemical formula is KAlSO4 taken twice 12H2O. It contains 12 molecules of water. The chemical name of potash alum is potassium aluminium sulfate. The question may be asked as the chemical name of simply they'll be asking as alum, or in some cases they'll be asking as potash alum. Both are same, alum or potash alum. It is potassium aluminium sulfate and its chemical formula is KAlSO4 taken twice and 12H2O. It contains 12 molecules of water. Next question, what is the chemical formula for heavy water? That is D2O. Its chemical name is deuterium oxide. The chemical formula for heavy water is D2O and its chemical name is deuterium oxide. Next question, what is the chemical name of plaster of Paris? That is calcium sulfate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O. It contains half molecules of H2O. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate and its chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O. It contains half molecules of water. Next question, what is the chemical name of magnetite? That is iron oxide and its chemical formula is Fe3O4. The chemical name of magnetite is iron oxide and its chemical formula is Fe3O4. Next question, what is the chemical name of magnesia? That is magnesium oxide and its chemical formula is MgO. The chemical name of magnesia is magnesium oxide and its chemical formula is MgO. Next question, what is the chemical name of oil of vitriol? This is also known as king of chemicals. It is sulfuric acid and its chemical formula is H2SO4. This is a very important question. The chemical name of oil of vitriol, that is the king of chemicals, is sulfuric acid and its chemical formula is H2SO4. Next question, what is the chemical name of common salt? That is sodium chloride and its chemical formula is NaCl. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride and its chemical formula is NaCl. Next question, what is the chemical name of sand? That is silicon oxide. Its chemical formula is SiO2. The chemical name of sand is silicon oxide and its chemical formula is SiO2. Next question, what is the chemical name of bleach that is in solid state? That is sodium perborate and its chemical formula is NaBO3. The chemical name of bleach that is in solid state is sodium perborate and its chemical formula is NaBO3. Next question, what is the chemical name of bleach in liquid state? That is sodium hypochlorite and its chemical formula is NaClO. The chemical name of bleach in liquid form is sodium hypochlorite and its chemical formula is NaClO. Next question, what is the chemical name of salt substitute? That is potassium chlorate and its chemical formula is KCl. The chemical name of salt substitute is potassium chloride and its chemical formula is KCl. Next question, what is the chemical name of milk of magnesia? That is magnesium hydroxide and its chemical formula is MgOH taken twice. The chemical name of milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide and its chemical formula is MgOH taken twice. Next question, what is the chemical formula for TNT? That is C7H5N3O6. This is the chemical formula for TNT. TNT full form is trinitrotoluene. The chemical formula for TNT is C7H5N3O6 and the full form of TNT is trinitrotoluene. What is the chemical name of vermilion? This vermilion is also known as sindoor. It is mercuric sulfide and its chemical formula is HGS. The chemical name of vermilion is mercuric sulfide and its chemical formula is HGS. Next question. What is the chemical name of cream of tartar? Potassium hydrogen tartarate and its chemical formula is KHC4H4O6. The chemical name of cream of tartar is potassium hydrogen tartarate and its chemical formula is KHC4H4O6. Next question. What is the chemical name of galena? That is lead sulfide and its chemical formula is PBS. The chemical name of galena is lead sulfide and its chemical formula is PBS. Next question. What is the chemical name of grain alcohol? That is ethanol and its chemical formula is C2H5OH. The chemical name of grain alcohol is ethanol and its chemical formula is C2H5OH. Next question. What is the chemical name of rubbing alcohol? That is isopropyl alcohol and its chemical formula is CH3 taken twice CHOH. The chemical name of rubbing alcohol is isopropyl alcohol and its chemical formula is CH3 taken twice CHOH. Next question. What is the chemical name of salt ammonia? Salt ammoniae, that is ammonium chloride and its chemical formula is NH4Cl. The chemical name of salt ammonia is ammonium chloride and its chemical formula is NH4Cl. Next question. What is the chemical formula of ozone? That is O3. The chemical formula of ozone is O3. Next question. What is the chemical formula of water gas? CO plus H2. It is a combination of two gases, that is carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The chemical formula of water gas is CO plus H2. Next question. What is the chemical formula of acid rain? It is also a combination of two gases, that is SO2 plus NO2. SO2 is nothing but sulfur dioxide and NO2 is nothing but nitrogen dioxide. Next question. What is the chemical formula for producer gas? It is also a combination of two gases, that is CO plus N2. CO is nothing but carbon monoxide and N2 is nothing but nitrogen. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen is a combination of producer gas. Next, what is the chemical formula of slaked lime? The answer is CaOH taken twice. The chemical formula for slaked lime is CaOH taken twice. Next question. What is the chemical formula for water? That is H2O. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Next question. What is the chemical formula for urea? This is the most important question. That is NH2CO NH2, or they may also give as CO NH2 taken twice, that is these two NH2 atoms are taken as at one place, that is NH2 taken twice, or they may be given option as CH4N2O. CH4N2O. These are the chemical formula of urea, that is NH2CO NH2, or option may be as CO NH2 taken twice or CH4N2O. Next question. What is the chemical formula of hypo? That is Na2S2O3. The chemical formula for hypo is Na2S2O3. Next question. What is the chemical formula for starch? That is C6H10O5 taken n times. The chemical formula for starch is C6H10O5 taken n times. Next question. What is the chemical formula for benzene? That is C6H6. It contains 6 carbon molecules and the benzene ring can be formed as in this way. What is the chemical formula of caffeine? That is C8H10N4O2. The chemical formula of caffeine is C8H10N4O2. Next question. What is the chemical formula of ascorbic acid? That is C6H8O6. The chemical formula for ascorbic acid is C6H8O6. Next question, what is the chemical formula of propane? That is C3H8. First is methane, that is for C. Ethane, if two carbon compound. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and hexane. For hexane we will be having 6 carbon compounds. The chemical formula of propane is C3H8. Next question, what is the chemical formula of phosphoric acid? That is H3PO4. H3PO4 is a chemical formula for phosphoric acid. Next question, what is the chemical formula of ethanol? That is C2H5OH. C2H5OH is a chemical formula of ethanol. Next question, what is the chemical formula of tear gas? That is C10H5ClN2. C10H5ClN2 is a chemical formula for tear gas. It is an important question. Next question, what is the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide? That is H2O2. H2O2 is a chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide.